Building the app is the easy part. Getting people to use it, that's where it gets hard. Your users' funds are scattered across chains. So before they can even try what you've built, they're bridging over unstable bridges, swapping on unreliable sites, and jumping through endless hoops. And 60 to 90% of them give up before they reach you. Worst part, your dashboard never sees them. The fix is simple, go multi-chain. But that doesn't mean deploying on 10 chains and waiting for users to find you. Just integrate Avail Deposits. Your users deposit from any EVM chain in one transaction without ever leaving your app using the funds they already have, making your app liquid. Avail Deposits, the fastest way to onboard users to your app.